Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be teaching you how to change your laptop screen. This is my cat Panda. He will be helping me teaching you how to change your laptop screen. I'm just kidding. So let's start. Okay guys, let's start. We should take out the screen cover first. Okay, screen cover is out. I recommend putting the laptop like that. It's better to not break it. I also like to put the screws in something to not get them lost. Okay. First thing I forgot to tell you about, you should take out your battery. This is the first thing you should do. Screen screws. Of course, from a laptop to laptop, it get difference in getting out this, changing out the screen. Okay, our screen is out. Make sure your charger and your battery is out. Be careful for the flat cable. It's very easy to damage the flat cable. Okay, you push it like that from the back. It's out. Our screen is out. We get our new screen. Put it back. Be careful when putting the flat cable in. It's better to put something to hold the flat cable in. Easy. Slowly. Put our screws back. Four screws for the screen. Two on the bottom and two on the top. Okay, our screen is ready to be tested. Don't put the cover of the screen right now. Just make sure it's working. You may have a bad screen. You may have put on a bad screen. So just first of all, it's better to test the screen before putting the top cover, and it's better to test on the charger. I like that better than putting the battery, but I don't have the charger right now. The battery is in. Slowly. Laptop is coming on. Our screen is working. Good. I'll shut down the computer. Okay guys, our computer is off. We put our cover. Let's put our screen cover. Simple and easy. Okay, our cover is back. Okay guys, our cover is back. The laptop is working, the screen changed. Just don't forget to take out your battery and your charger, or you'll cause damage to the motherboard. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one.